In this video, I will show you how to change Roblox age to 13 plus. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings, click on settings, and then you will see the birthday here. So click on the pencil icon to edit this, to update your birthday, and after that, click on continue here. And the other method is if it has no icon pencil, you can go back to settings and then click on help and safety. And after that, click on help center and search for age. And then click on how do I change my age, and here go to need more help. And then complete the information here like the username. So I will type my username here. And then type your first name. And then also type your email address and confirm your email address. And here, choose the device type. So it has a lot of options like PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, and I choose PC. And these, choose age-based settings and accounts. And then in subcategory type, choose change child age. And then after that, you will type your issue here. So for example, when I was setting up my Roblox account, I accidentally entered the wrong birth date and I wasn't thinking too much about it. Please can you change my birthday to, then type your birthday here. You can copy this of what I type and click on continue. And then it needs a verification. So finish this, and then after you complete this, it will automatically go to the chat services. And here, so they will like to confirm your username, and then I will reply yes. And then wait for the reply. And then here you need an ID verification. So you need to verify your age ID. So I will reply, I want to change my birthday. And then they ask if you verified your ID. So I am not yet verified my ID, and I reply this. Okay, so, and then I will paste my concern again so that they can understand it again. And after that, they will reply this. So you need to follow these steps. So like into your account, go to settings, browser. So this step 1 to 6, this is the steps I teach you earlier with the pencil icon. The step 7, you will enter your correct birthday. And then in the number 8, you need to verify your ID for permissions. But if the users is under age of 13, updating their birthday may require ID verification. So you need to verify your ID first or parental consent to request of updating your birthday. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.